Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on profit and equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap which Dolly Khanna has been silently holding even though her name does not appear on the shareholding patterns on the exchanges. Please watch this video to know more. Also, this is not our own research. This research was done by Meet and we'll be providing a link to his Twitter handle in the description section. Please follow him to gain more such insights. Now the company in question is Tata Sponge Iron Limited, which is available at Rs 848.45 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is TATASPONGE. Now Tata Sponge Iron Limited is a holding company engaged in the production of sponge iron by direct reduction method of iron ore and generation of power from waste heat. The company operates through two segments, which are manufacturing of sponge iron and generation of power. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company has been on a terrible downtrend and a lot of wealth has been destroyed here. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 1306.61 crores. The EPS of 101.21 translates into a very cheap price to earnings ratio of 8.38, which is largely in line with the industry PE. The book value of 640.54 translates into a price to book ratio of 1.32. The company is debt free and the return on equity here is a figure of 0.1612. The company also has a decent dividend yield of 2.36%, whereas the promoter holding is just about average at 54.50%. Now friends, please remember that this information is from the annual report and quite some time has elapsed since it came out. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.